Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard soap at home. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. You'll be working with lye, so caution is key. Next, accurately measure your lye and distilled water separately. Then, gently heat your selected oils, like olive oil or coconut oil, to a consistent temperature. This careful preparation ensures a safe and successful soap-making experience. Now, let's move to the mixing phase. Always add the lye to the water, never the other way around, stirring until it completely dissolves. The solution will get hot, so be careful. Next, ensure both your lye solution and your oils are around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, slowly pour the lye solution into the oils, blending continuously. This step is crucial for proper saponification. Once your lye and oils are combined, it's time to blend until you reach trace. This is when the mixture thickens to a pudding-like consistency and a spoon leaves a visible mark on the surface. At this point, you can incorporate any essential oils or colorants you like. Then, carefully pour the mixture into your soap molds, ensuring an even distribution. After molding, insulate your soap for about 24 hours to help it finish the saponification process. This initial warmth is important. Once firm, unmold your beautiful new soap and place it in a well-ventilated area to cure. This curing period, typically 4 to 6 weeks, allows excess water to evaporate, resulting in a harder, longer-lasting bar. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.